We are about to show you the coolest warehouse south of Market. It has an industrial use 19 Heron Street. It is 6,400 square feet per tax records. It is perfect for the owner or user in San Francisco who wants a headquarters and can qualify for SBA financing. It is dual level, has a freight elevator, roll up door. It is bathed in natural sunlight. Let's check it out. Is a wrap on our tour of 19 Heron Street. If you want to take a tour or you have any questions, give us a call.